Well, hello McBride students. It is great to see you guys today. We are here at the Moose Lodge. That's right. I am your guest moose, and I am here to tell you a little bit about moose, where they live, what they do, and let's step into the moose laboratory, also known as lab, and give you that very pertinent information. Here we go. Let me check my special moose hard drive here to check on the moose facts. And here we go. In the United States, approximately 300,000 moose in 19 states. Here they are: Alaska, Colorado, Connecticut, Idaho, Maine, Massachusetts, Minnesota, Montana, Michigan, Nevada, New Hampshire, New York, North Dakota, Oregon, Utah, Vermont, Washington, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. The largest moose specimens are found in Alaska, 200,000 moose. Okay, so the population in our United States of the moose, the wonderful moose, is very dramatically different. Okay, some states listed there have lots, and some have very, very few. Like Oregon, we were listed, but we have very, very few. We're at like the bottom of the list. Okay, and Alaska, of course, tons of moose up in Alaska. So pretty cool information. Okay, the lifespan of a moose is 15 to 20 years. That is a long life out there in the wild. Okay, the moose are the largest of the deer species. They are in the deer family, and they are the largest. They are massive animals, guys. We have tons of elk in Oregon, okay, but these things, they get significantly bigger. At their shoulders, 5 to 6.5 feet tall, very, very tall. Okay, and weight 1,800 pounds. Okay, that can be almost twice of what a large elk could be. Okay, so unbelievable how big these creatures are. Okay, and why am I telling you this? Why are we here, McBride students, talking about moose? And the only good answer I can give you is that I have this moose hat, and how do you work a moose into your PE lesson? You just talk about moose. Okay, so thank you for joining me in my moose laboratory, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and let's get on to the PE lesson. And don't forget your joke of the day, folks. Very important. And your joke of the day is very simple today. It is me in this moose hat. What a joke is that? That's a joke. All right. Be good. Okay, quick warm up, guys. Reach for the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach for the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs wide to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right foot back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Big arm circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right arm across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job, guys. All right, guys, remember we are in our paddle unit. We will continue that today. If you have any kind of paddle or racket at home, that can be used for the activity, okay? I am going to use a clipboard, okay? You could use a hard-covered book, okay, would be great. That's probably what a lot of us are going to use, is a hard-covered book. And if you have any kind of smaller ball around, okay, if you do have a ping pong ball, that does work great. If you don't have a ball, you can crumple up a piece of paper, okay, nice and tight, and that will do the trick, okay. And so, very first thing, we are just going to do a little warm-up of something that we did last time, okay. We are just going to volley in place here just to get our eyes adjusted and get ready to go. So, put your racket in your dominant hand. For me, that's right. And take your ball, and we are right here, okay? We did this last time. Hopefully you joined us, okay? We did many other drills as well. This is just to get us warmed up. We won't go long. Okay, nice, good pace. If you go higher, harder to be accurate, okay? Lower, definitely easier to control, okay? Good job. Let's go ahead and switch it to our non-dominant hand, okay? That will be a challenge. It will be for me and you as well, I'm sure, okay? And we are going to try to paddle it with our opposite hand, for many of us, our left hand. Struggle a little bit, don't worry, just pick it up, keep going. Definitely less comfortable for me. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job, guys. A little warm up for us, and we will get on to some new drills now. All right, guys, so most of you know that most racket paddle sports involve hitting it to an opponent, okay, across the net or against the wall, like racquetball, okay. And so this drill here, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to get fairly close to a wall, okay. I am 3 or 4 feet away. Okay, and I am just going to volley against the wall with my clipboard. Okay, you probably got your paddle or your book. Okay, and again, a ball that bounces decent is good. Okay, and obviously pick a wall available to you that is got nothing on it, no pictures, nothing that you're going to hit. Okay, and we are going to do some volleying against the wall. Here we go. Okay, I would recommend getting here and dropping it into your paddle, and then starting the volley from there. Here we go. Ooh, almost lost it. As we're learning, we probably make quite a few mistakes, but just keep picking it up and restarting. Notice I'm hitting it like a couple feet higher than my paddle. If I hit it real flat, it's going to be much harder. Okay. The higher I hit it, it actually might continue to get a little easier, but you also want to get some good force going into the wall so it comes off quite a ways, because some of those times when I'm hitting it too soft and it's only coming a few inches away from the wall as it comes down, it's actually making it harder, okay? So hit it, make sure you still want it going towards the wall in a nice strong line. job, guys. Take a pause. Maybe shake out that hand. Okay, you get a little bit fatigued, especially when you aren't having a nice handle on a paddle, but some of you maybe do have a paddle, which is great, okay? That was good, and now this time what we're going to do is we're going to try to just pick up the pace a little bit, okay? Do a little bit faster, kind of challenging. If you were really struggling, okay, maybe just keep with the standard speed, but I'm going to try to pick up the speed and see if I can get a little faster action going between the wall and my paddle, okay? And we'll see how it goes. Here we go. Went pretty good. Shake it out again, okay? That was pretty fast. Let's try once here, trying to go like lightning fast, just from one object to the next super fast. Probably gonna be hard to do it without making errors, but it'll be fun to try, okay? Yeah, I noticed there when I was doing it, okay, instead of being more relaxed, my paddle getting flat here as I did it, okay? My paddle was very much just straight down, okay? And because it needed to be ready for impact right away, okay? So here we go. This is super speed. Here we go. Ready? Ah! Got to keep it low to keep it fast. Ah! All right, one more try here. The higher I get, I can't move it quick enough, so you want to keep it low so you can keep the speed going. Here we go. All right, good stuff there. Okay, shake it out. And this one, okay, what we're going to do is we're just going to go back to the standard volley, okay? And I want to see if you guys can go without errors for the same length of time that I do, okay? I'm going to shoot for about 30 seconds, okay? So here we go. Ready. We're going to try to go air-free for 30 seconds. Set. Go. To make an error, just rejoin. Halfway. Three, two, one. Woo! Hopefully you made it there. Okay, a little 30-second challenge for you. Okay, kind of fun, something that you could try on your own. Try to get to that 30-second mark. But nice job with this. Take a quick pause here and give you your last drill of the day. Okay guys, so we are going to back up a little ways from our wall, from our spot, okay? Hopefully that works with the location that you're in, okay? And now I am looking at probably about twice, okay? Twice that distance away, okay? If you have hopefully the ball that you're using is working for what we're doing here. If you are using a paper ball, you are having a harder time, okay? But just keep working at it, see what you can do. If you can't get at this distance with a paper ball, okay, you might have to stay closer to the wall. But this is more long distance here, okay? So you got your paddle, your book, and we are going to try to hit it against that wall. And we're going to need to hit it a little bit higher and a little harder because we want it to come all the way back to our location where we're at here, okay? So here we go, and I'm going to drop it and underhand kind of serve it up against that wall, and we will volley. Here we go. Ooh. If it hits the ground, just keep going. Right now we're trying to go in the air. Very good rhythm. If you can hit consistently, it will be easier to go for longer, okay? Let's try it again. Here we go. Woo. Tough hit. All right. This one here should be a little bit easier, actually. We're going to hit it. We're going to let it hit the ground, and then we're going to hit it, which happened a few times. But this one, we're going to intentionally try to let it bounce once on the ground before we make the next hit, okay? Again, the ball that you're using may impact how hard or easy this is for you, okay? A ping pong ball is probably one of the better balls for this situation here, okay? So here we go. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Definitely easier than going long range and keeping it in the air. Nice smooth paddle swing. Don't have a floor that it can bounce on, you're really struggling and probably frustrated, you may have to skip the ground part, just keep going in the air. Good job, shake out that hand. Very good. Let's try to do a 30 seconds again, okay? 30-second challenge. I'm going to try to, let's let it bounce and try to go with that rhythm. Try to not lose rhythm for 30 seconds. Here we go. And go. Bounce. Halfway. Done. Nicely done, guys. Good job. Let's try to do a 30-second here in the air, long distance. Okay. This, of course, will be more difficult, but let's see how we do. And ready, set, and go. Oop. Hard time looking at my watch during this one. Oh, I think we just hit 30 seconds right there. I was trying to get a peek while we were playing. Hopefully you made it close, okay? Again, that is a very hard one, so if not, I understand, okay? Great job with the paddle work today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. There's those drills and the ones from the previous lesson, okay? If you have someone else around and you could hit back and forth with them, with your paddles, with your books, whatever you have, okay, that would be a fun activity as well. I'm going to put up the 5-minute timer and just get in 5 more minutes of paddle work, okay, and any of the drills that you like, okay, standard volleying, okay, switching, okay, bouncing against the wall. All kinds of different drills, and Keep working at it, and you will improve. Good work, guys. Thank you so much for being here today, guys. Have yourselves a great day, and we will see you next time.